In this episode, we're looking at an ROG Strix X670EF motherboard. Upon quick inspection, the pins seem fine, but a component seems to have been soldered before. Checking the ports, no damage visible. Back looks good too. Let's try turning it on and see what happens. Nothing. Time to bring out the thermal camera and see what gets hot when the power button is pressed. Looks like we have something on the left side there. Zooming in. It looks like a component is definitely getting hot. Time to put it under the microscope. Yeah, there we go, cracked component. Get some hot air and take it off. Replacing it with the new one. All cleaned up, ready to test. Let's see if it turns on now. Success, we have lights. But do we have a picture? Yes, we do. Final assembly and testing shows full functionality. Looks like that small component, tiny component, was the only thing stopping this motherboard from working.